Woke up folks. Today is the 30th of December 2023 and we are here at my hometown, Abukay, Bataan. That's St. Dominic Parish Church and this is Plaza. It used to be a basketball court when we were young. And let's check it out. This is where I grew up. This is our home. It was burned.
Ano masabi mo kay Joshua?
Uwa, ito.
Kumain din. Ay.
Ayan si Kuya Daniel.
Pasko, hindi ako nakapagtinda.
Oh.
Kasi nga hindi dumating ang buko.
Pasko eh.
Yung kausap ko, dahil kong order na pasalad.
Sayang.
Kaya ngayon lang ako nagtinda.
We are at Plaza of Abukay and this is Kuya Dani. Kuya Dani is the husband of Ate Perseng, which they are the one who took care of us, three of us when we were young until we were teenage. So right now, this is his business. He's selling fruits and buko juice, 10 pesos each. Kuya Dani.
Wala ng kilo. Basta isa 75.
So, 3 apples for 20 pesos, which is $1 each.
Oh, malaki. Isang kilo pa to.
He is in the center of the town, so he gets a lot of customers. He is a very good seller. People just keep coming in and talk to him, and he sells stuff them, and they buy fruits from him. That's what you call talent. So he's refilling his apples because a lot of people have bought already. This is business. Excellent job, Kuya Dani. This is what he says. This is buko juice or coconut juice mixed with milk, sugar, and ice. And he sells them for 10 pesos each. I don't know the conversion. $1 is 50 pesos, so it's less than $1.
Dito, tsaka lang.
Stacy, he sells stuff 7 days a week. This is how he makes his living. Another one, somebody bought a melon from him again. People, he just have to stay in one place and people come in and buy this fruits.
Oh,
Because he's in the center of the town. You know, populated this area is really busy. A lot of bypassers coming by taking his fruits, and he sells them. This is my home. This is the plaza. That is my grandma and grandpa's home, my mother's home. It was burned back in 2020 due to electrical failure, and they rebuilt. It's not the same as it used to be. So in the bottom we have 5 rental cubicles, rental spaces. That's my friend's supermarket. That's our plaza, Abukay Plaza. And then this one used to be a basketball court. Now they're building a park or museum, something like that. I don't know if it's gonna help. I don't know if it's beneficial for the people who live here. But yeah, that's what the mayor wants. That is St. Dominic Parish. Police station is right there. It used to be rural health unit or
kalugot-lugot sila sa paningin ng Panginoon.
community health center.
Anuman ang hinihilan na ito,
Church.
ipagkakaloob.
And that tree in the center right there, that's Acacia tree. That's where I grew up. Every night I sit down under the tree and talk to people, random people. That's how I made friends. That's how I developed my social skills. And our home is right there. Yeah.
Our life back here in the Philippines when I was young is the best life I've ever had. But now it changed a lot. Well, it improved, but nothing changed. It's still the same. Okay, we're heading to the church. There is a mass going on currently. This is, I think, the third oldest church in the Philippines. Here, I'll show you.
Pasensya ka na kung gusto ko makipag-usap sa'yo kasi namilis ko na yung mga anak mo lagi tayo makakausap. Sana maintindihan na ang iyong magulang habang siya'y matanda na. Ang sino mang anak ang nag-aalaga ng kanyang magulang, pagpalain gawa siya ng Diyos habang siya'y nabubuhay.
The priest was saying, whoever children that takes care of their parents, may God bless them while they are still living.
We are now right outside the church, the National Highway, and we're heading to Laon to see Tita Cynthia, our maestro. He was the one who taught us how to play instruments, that helped me in my college days and helping me now, coping up with all the stress in life. This is Barangay Laon. That's where I grew up, right there. That acacia tree is very historical. Oh, sarado. It's closed. Some other time. Okay, this is the exact place I used to sit back in my teenage days. Now they made it a park.
Fortunately, my friends are not here, but this is what we do. Childhood memories.
This left-hand side, that's our old municipal hall. That's our plaza in front. That's old Christmas party, fiesta, program are happening. And you see right there, that's our home. We are about 150 feet away from our home. And I sit down here almost every night with my friends. One of my friends, he drives a tricycle. The tricycle is right there on that corner. And every time somebody rides his tricycle, I back ride him. That means I ride at the back of the tricycle and accompany him. And now, this is Acacia. Now, this is the waiting shed to ride jeepney or bus heading to Orani or Manila. And we are across the plaza. Behind me, that's a acacia tree. And yeah, and again, that's our home. And that's Laon. It says Mabuhay.
Ang mga pamilyang nagkawat-wala dahil sa kahirapan.
It's National Road. We don't have those fancy wide roads here. It's a two-way street with law of the jungle. If you can fit, you can fit. And give way sometimes, but most of the time don't give way. Okay. Alright, let's go to my friend's house because he's expecting me to visit. This is my best friend's house. Our house, one house apart, and that's that's not our house, but my grandparents on the father's side's house, one, and then this is my um, best friend when we were little. So one house apart, literally 10 seconds away. So he's expecting me to see him today. To find out after so many years. This is Nino, my kumpare.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Tangina. Manalo. Sa Orion. Little to no light pollution. Plenty of clouds though, but still nice.
Sabi ni Kuya Ed, nasa Amsterdam pa daw.
Sino?
Kuya Ed, sabi ko nasa Pilipinas ka baka ako. Pupuntahan sana siya. Nasa Amsterdam, Amsterdam pa daw. Pagkita ko, nandun na pala. Sabi nung umuwi daw siya ng 20.
Nakita ko ngayong vlog mo, nagpa-seminar ka pa lang. Pero ang kisig ng mga mga cover talagang
maganda.
ala pa rin ko pa si
Yung pa naman yun eh.
Sexy pa rin yung naalala ko nung bata ako. Umiiyak ko, hirap na hirap ako. Pag kami, di ba, si Tito yung nagtuturo sa amin.
Yun ang sinasabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, Kuya Ed, marunong ka pala magkaharnet. Oo, tinuturuan ko si Dinyo.
Tsaka si Mac, kami noon.
Si Mac, di ba clarinet?
Hindi, yung kami dalawa yung tinuturuan niya. Tapos yung meron pa yung si Brainerd, yung kung kilala mo dito. Yung sa pagbaba ng tulay. Tinuruan niya rin yun. 3 kami mga bata noon. Kasi kayo yata noon nila...
Pasensya, dyan.
Doon kayo doon eh. Tapos saka lang kami noon.
Sinama.
Ayaw talaga mag-clarinet. Sabi ko, gusto ko drummer kasi malakas sa chicks. Puta ngayon, para ako si Squidward na puta. Napunta sa akin clarinet na puta.
Naalala ko yung putang na panay tayo pinaghihiwalay.
Galit na galit siya. Pag nagtabi tayo, putang yung panay kwento ko kahasatan po. Katabi pa si John John.
Si John John nga, inahanap ko din eh. Ganon din yan eh. Tigasin din.
Nakita na ba kayo?
Di pa.
Ng ibang mga tropa?
Sila yun nandyan. Pero...
Sila na ba? Inahanap ko nga doon sa picture mo yung ibang mga natin. Si John
John yung iba nasa abroad na.
Kay si Liet.
Si Liet, nasa Las Vegas sa US.
Kasi pangalan tayo yung lagi nagsusumbong. Kay susubok kay MJ. Sino yan? Si
Jawo.
Si Jawo.
Si Jawo nasa
mabait na araw ngayon.
Mabait na si Jawo ngayon. Eto ako, ganito lang gusto ko yung mapagkwentuhan lang.
Catching up. Si John John, huli ko nakita parang last year yata o this year. Nagtatrabaho sa sa Sabers.
Sabers, ang yata Sabers tsaka sa gabi nag-deliver sa Shopee. Kaya mahirap nakagilap eh.
Pag masipag ka naman dun sa yung ganun, malaki naman kita.
Sabi nga niya.
Kaya engineer yun?
Ewan ko. Computer, computer
parang
science
IT.
O computer engineer, alin sa dalawa.
Si Daga naman, si Panta. Ano yung pangal talaga niya?
Sinong Daga?
Isang kasama ni John John.
Si Bulok? Jason?
Bulok ba yan? Si Jason, ayan. Laki na ng katawan, naging parang gym instructor.
May shop yun na nagagawa metal work.
Nagpapabricate ng mga
mga kulungan ng aso. Hindi ko pa rin pagkikita. Si Randy lang nakita ko.
Sa si Randy?
Yun.
Yung pa rin. Original ba?
Single pa rin.
Single ba?
Trying to be married.
Alam ko parang naging head pa siya nung dito, parang nagtuturo nung mga next batch nung mga...
nagsiayaw din daw, dito na makatagal.
Ay, ganon.
Sabi ko nga, akala ko umuwi ako dito na may... parang na-dissolve yung banda ngayon.
Na-mismanage na rin
yung mga miyembro na wala, hindi na napalitan. Kaya naubos bali.
Tsaka siguro may parang din ng politics.
Siyempre, hindi mo mawala yan kahit saan.
Yan nga medyo nakakalot. Parang sa huling generation ko na parang matitigalan. Taniruan ko to si Utol, hindi rin nagustuhan. Si Bunso namin, parang hindi na rin tinuloy.
Sa akin, nagamit kayo nung college eh.
Ako, di ba tayo?
Tayo, wala.
Parang tayo pa'y binabayaran ng nun kasi binabayaran natin ng miscellaneous ata, parang 100-200 pesos lang. Tapos may allowance pa tayo.
Allowance pa, tsaka libre yung tuition.
Maganda rin yun na itulong Buti ka nga, naging active ka pa rin. Si Mac, ewan ko.
Hindi na ako active. Pero nung
Tanga na, pag...
COVID, utang na lang ang magawa sa bahay. Trabaho ka, pag uwi mo, stress ka. Kasi, alam mo yung COVID, yung unang wave ng COVID, ang dami namamatay. Nakaka-stress yun. Putang ina.
Sobrang tindi rin ng lockdown sa inyo, bro.
Oo. Hindi, mas matindi dito. Pero, doon,
Ay, sa bagay, oo. Ang dami
Pare-pare-
pang mga sa inyo, anti-vax.
maraming pareho din. Pero yung stress doon na, hindi mo makita yung kaibigan mo, hindi ka pwede mag-usap ng ganito. Tapos
Pag-socialize sa ibang na.
pag mag-grocery ka, isa-isa lang ang pinapapasok. Putang sabi ko, ayun na COVID na yan. Yun.
Tapos
Yun ang-
ano ka na, frontliner ka pa rin, di ba?
Saan din ako tatrabaho nun sa clinic nung panahon na yan? Sa eye clinic.
Ilang beses kayo inabot?
Ala.
Never? Hindi ka, no?
Never.
O baka hindi
Ako
mo lang
ngayon,
na na-detect na meron ka?
nag-check ako lagi.
Talaga?
Oo.
May ano ka?
Opposite yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ako nagmamas, hindi ako naghugas ng kamay. Talagang yung opposite.
Pero vaccinated ka naman?
Nagpa-vaccine 3 beses, ayoko na.
Okay. Sa akin, tangin na, inaabot ako. Parang wala pa akong 2 weeks sa DOH. Nahawa ko dun sa yung municipal health officer ng Binalupihan.
Hindi mo na maiiwasan yan eh.
Bro.